Hello, I'm Robert Shanks, founder of our specialist osteopathy and physiotherapy clinic here in Chigwell. So are you suffering with a niggling pain or injury that's stopping you living life to the full? Perhaps that injury keeps coming back despite you having seen other therapists and specialists, and you're starting to worry it's never going to get better. Or perhaps you're simply suffering with a bit of stress and tension somewhere in your body and looking for some deep tissue work and a loosen up. Or if you are suffering with something more chronic, it might be useful to know that we specialise in helping people with persistent pain and injury, be that back pain, trapped nerves, sciatica, tension headaches, or any other type of joint or muscle problem, and getting them back to full fitness and feeling like their best again. We do this through 3 steps. Step 1 is an accurate diagnosis, which, where appropriate, and sometimes may include an MRI scan or an ultrasound scan. We then give you an action plan on how to achieve your goals, be that via the treatment services that we offer in-house, or perhaps via referral to one of the carefully selected specialist orthopedic consultants that we work closely with. Step 2 invariably consists of exceptional hands-on treatment in combination with the latest treatment technologies such as laser therapy, tachytherapy, shockwave therapy. We have both focused and radial shockwave therapy at the clinic here in Chigwell, or IDD, spinal decompression therapy. When it comes to the hands-on part of the treatment, though, we're really proud of our reputation within the Chigwell area and beyond for the quality of the deep tissue work that we provide, that really targets those deep knotted areas and is able to release that deep tension that is responsible for so much chronic pain and restriction. Step 3, and arguably the most important for long-term success, is rehab and recovery, getting you to improve your strength, fitness and resilience so that we can get you back to your sport and your hobby, be that on the football pitch or simply walking with the grandchildren again without fear of pain reoccurrence or re-injury. So if that sounds like the sort of thing that might be helpful, it might be worth exploring our website further, particularly our services tab, our patient story section, and the many Google reviews on our main website, spineplus.co.uk. You can call any of the clinics at any time on the numbers showing on screen to request an appointment or request further information, or you can download some of the information packs directly from the website on our specialist services such as the IDD spinal decompression or shockwave therapy or any of our treatment programs. If you do want to book in, you obviously are very welcome to give us a call via the phone numbers, and our reception staff will be very happy to book you in, or you can book yourself in online on our dedicated booking website, which is spineplus.online. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to the clinic soon.